Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to take a look at the 15 seconds video clips that's been posted by one of the Tesla owner regarding about autopilot. And then we're going to, take a look at some of the comments and see who is in the right and who's in the wrong. Right, so here, according to here, posted by Bolot, I trusted Tesla Autopilot to safely drive my family, but it suddenly veered towards a curb while in autopilot mode, putting my children and me in serious danger. I had to take control immediately to avoid a worse crash. The incident cost $1,330 in damage, the wheel, rims, which I had to pay out of pocket. When I contacted the Tampa Service Center, the manager was dismissive and unprofessional. Tesla must take responsibility for safety failures and stand by its customers. This is unacceptable. So this is posted by these customers. So once again, so I don't know how long this customer's been driving Tesla, but autopilot is not full self-driving, and autopilot is usually like more like cruise control. All it does is keep distance from one vehicle to another and keep up with the speed. Nowhere basic autopilots will make a right or will go into a parking lot or do none of the stuff. So before blaming Tesla for your, how would I say, were less of a knowledge or not lack of research into how to drive a Tesla or how to use Tesla, and off the back blaming Tesla. Had you used full self-driving or paid for the full $8,000 and this happened, yes, I can understand your frustration and I stand behind you 100%. However, autopilot is just a base, like I said, just like basics cruise control on the highway. Looks like you're in locals here, right? So, but that's just my thought. So let's take a look at some of the comments and see what people are really thinking. So this one, autopilot is not the same as FSD. Autopilot does not navigate into the parking lot. That's a good point, just like I just said. You are driving, you are responsible, paying attention, 100% sure. This happened to me on my drive home in my neighborhood. Luckily, I grabbed the wheel in time. Same looking curb too. So again, Helena Fernandez, make sure you do some research. You're not on, you didn't have full self-driving. You need to send the video to Bam Tesla Cam. You had time to take control. Your fault. If my autopilot is failing, I take over. Why did you trust autopilot? It wasn't driving the car, you were. From Dave, autopilot was never designed to navigate complex turns, for sure. From Bill, you should have taken control and brake prior to any accident. Your fault. This guy says it's fake. And from Mariano, spend $8,000 more so you can trust the car with FSD, which is full self-driving. At this point, it's still supervised, meaning even though you do pay it, you still got to be, pay attention to the car itself. The cruise control that comes with the car is not enough for you, so exactly how I just explained it. How about you watch where the car is going and take control? So as you can see here, a lot of comments aiming at the drivers not really knowing the difference between basic autopilot and full self-driving, and off the back he's blaming Tesla. So once again, guys, if you're driving a Tesla, make sure you read the manual. Make sure, if there's tons of videos out there that if you don't want to read the instruction, the manual, just Google it, YouTube it, type in whatever topics you want. I'm pretty sure there's tons of people that are providing you with really critical informations. But that's pretty much it for this video, guys. What are your thoughts on it, right? I really want to know. But other than that, thank you for watching. Be safe. Till next time.